In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a ticket in Zendesk. Knowing how to efficiently find tickets is crucial for staying organized and ensuring you're keeping up with customer needs. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps of using Zendesk's search feature effectively. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to locate the search tool within the Zendesk interface. You can find this by looking towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon, which is the gateway to the search function. Clicking on this icon is your first step to accessing all the information you might need. Once you've clicked the magnifying glass, a search bar will appear, waiting for your input. This is where you can take advantage of Zendesk's powerful search capabilities. You can enter any keyword or ticket ID to start your search. For example, if you know the exact ticket ID you're looking for, typing something like 12346 will directly pull up the ticket you're interested in. Now, why is this useful? Well, whether you're dealing with a high volume of customer requests or simply revisiting a previous conversation, being able to quickly zero in on specific tickets makes all the difference. It cuts down response times and enhances your efficiency in managing support requests. But the search feature isn't limited to just ticket IDs. You can also use it to find users or articles related to your query. For instance, if you're dealing with a particular issue, typing relevant keywords can bring up not only tickets, but also knowledge base articles that might help resolve the problem. This multifaceted approach ensures you have all the information at your fingertips. An additional tip is to remember that the search function supports various parameters and advanced search functionalities, although those aren't covered in today's basic tutorial. The key is to familiarize yourself with the kind of terms or IDs you'll frequently search for, which will naturally speed up the process over time. As you explore and practice using the search feature, you'll notice how intuitive it becomes. By regularly using it, you'll find your workflow significantly streamlined. This is especially true if you're part of a larger support team, where quick access to past tickets can improve not only your efficiency, but enhance the overall customer experience. So, there you have it, a straightforward but essential tool in your Zendesk toolkit. By mastering this basic search capability, you're well on your way to efficiently managing and navigating through your customer service inquiries. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to practice your searches to become even more proficient with Zendesk.